Hello, cosplay world! We're going to have a quick look here at these rather large horns. Now, it may not be, noticeable right away because it's on a backdrop, but those are 30 inches, 2.5 feet long a piece. And so, when you're making something that big, it's probably good to have a plan to get them on and off, and also for some stability. And you can see that we have a bit of elastic in there, and a few bits more than just a regular Alice headband that you would normally see for such an apparatus. I'm going to go into more detailed rants at finalcosplaycore.com at the extended version, and we have pictures and all those good things too, just to let you guys know if you want to explore this further. Woo! Thanks for your support, cosplayers. So, to make it light, if you've seen the other HomeStuck horns, we're going to be doing this out of XPS foam, extruded polystyrene foam. And I made a point of having the mask there because if you guys know about XPS foam, you know you need to wear a mask for a myriad of reasons. It's still amazing material to work with because it's so easy to sculpt, because it's so light, and because it's reasonably strong for its weight. We can reinforce it with a few different tricks, but this whole project, the sanding, took me like an hour. I think it only took like an hour. And then sanding, I just used a sanding sponge. I didn't need to use any fancy sandpaper or anything. And coating it, in this case, there are other coatings to choose from, but in this case was just regular white glue, PVA glue that you can get out of your local store. So it makes it pretty easy, and PVA glue takes to the surface fairly well because of its porous nature. But in any case, use Delta brand paint. The reason for this being that Delta brand paint makes excellent warm colors. Your yellows, your oranges, your reds, the ones I'm using specifically in this video. If you're going and buying stuff from Walmart, or you're buying like a Folk Art or Apple Barrel, you're probably going to be spending more because you're going to have to do more painting and add more layers. So save your time, save your money, buy Delta when you're doing warm colors. It's not so much of an issue with darker colors, especially like black, but just as a heads up, absolutely I'm a fan of Delta warm colors. So this is our headband. Now, as you may have noticed, we put some screws into it. Yes, so those screws allow for the horns to come on and off. You can unscrew them. I think you might have noticed that in the video there. And we are going to put a bit of elastic and a bit of mesh there to transition the piece and provide supports. The fleece is obviously there because it's not super comfortable in this current state. So let's add a bit of padding. I keep saying obviously. Use better words. Use better words. It's there for padding to make it more comfortable overall. I hope you guys enjoyed. Next time we're going to be making a book. Look at that book. It's pretty straightforward. I hope you guys enjoy. Good times to all. If you like this, there's actually a more in-depth version over at finalcosplaycore.com. Check out the link in the description. Good times to all. Rah!